So the other day I got an email from OnePlus saying that there was a pop-up event in New York City and California, which it's Milpitas. Kind of insulting, but I don't live there. So either way, what I did is I drove down there and waited in traffic, which was fun. But once I finally got there, I walked through the mall. It said it was in entrance 2, and I walked through the mall. And I walked through the mall even more, and I didn't see it for some reason. But I realized that entrance 2 means literally entrance 2 outside of the door. So yeah, I walked around the whole mall twice. Maybe I shouldn't have walked through entrance 1. Either way, what I did is I ended up finding the little truck that they had, which kind of made sense that it was a little pop-up event. But they had this OnePlus Open, like a big display of it, that had a mirror on one side and OnePlus Open on the other. And that was pretty cool, it was pretty tall. But in the trailer, they actually had a few OnePlus Opens with some things on the wall. And they also had the OnePlus tablet, or OnePlus Pad? OnePlus tablet? OnePlus Pad? I don't remember. But it was cool to kind of display that. They do focus on green. They had one of the Opens in green, and they had another Open with a case, and then the tablet was also in green too. But that was kind of hard to see. The lighting wasn't really that good in there. But I could notice on the OnePlus Open that the back cameras were scratched, like really bad. I don't know why. This thing has been here for 3 days and it's scratched like this. So yeah, that's kind of concerning, but I did think the phone was awesome. The biggest thing that I would take away from that, it is super light, like noticeably light. I have the Z Fold 3 and this is definitely lighter than that. So I don't know, maybe I might pick up one of these Opens if I could get this for less than $1,000. Right now I'm looking at about $1,200, which is kind of a lot. But yeah, I spent all that time driving over there so I can make this video for you. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and as always, thanks for watching.